Andy McFly just pulled up right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get him pulled inside so he can change his intakes. Alrighty guys, so the purpose of Andy coming by today is because he picked up some intakes from one of his buddies. So these are the intakes we're gonna throw on the Z today. He said he picked these up for, what'd you say, 50 bucks?
100 bucks.
100 bucks and some Dutch Bros to his homie. So these are the...
Shout out Hussein.
Shout out who?
Hussein. Shout
out his homie Hussein. And so we're gonna be slapping these on today. They are used and he got a good deal on them, so why not, right? He did buy some new intakes, so that's what we're gonna do on the Z while I continue working on this 4G. So should look a little nicer. So you guys do remember this is the car that we did the Tome. You guys loved that video. He also has a new bumper that we're gonna be installing soon.
Nismo V1.
It's Nismo V1.
Yeah.
And I seen you guys in the comments ask about this bumper. So are you gonna be selling this?
Yeah, I already sold it to a friend.
So, he sold it already, but I did see some in the comments saying what bumper is this or whatever. So he actually sold it for 50 bucks. So sorry. But yeah guys, let me go ahead and let this cool down a little bit. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the intakes. First we have to take off his Nismo stroke bar. Everything I have to say on this car I have to refer as Nismo, because if I say it's a regular base model he gets mad. So I have to take off the Nismo stroke bar, and then I'm gonna have him hold these Nismo bolts. Only the Nismo came with those bolts. Here's the Nismo nuts. So, two more.
It's a fizz one.
Alright, that should be it for the Nismo stroke bar. And then we can go ahead and start with the intakes. Alright, so we have one Nismo intake out. Mr. Nismo. He also told me that he wears he bought some Nismo underwears because he can't have regular underwear.
For everybody saying the engine intakes are temporary, I might get some admin tuning or some that's all nights posted. So these are temporary, they're not the best intakes, we know that.
So yeah, he bought some Nismo underwear to wear along with his Nismo car. So we're gonna go ahead and I have that one off, finish pulling this one off. Just go that way. So we have the front bumper off, and then we're gonna go ahead and slap those on. Check out the oil cooler. I don't know what brand it is, but it looks pretty sick. Boop. All right, let me handle this business right quick. Alrighty guys, so we have one intake on. I just need to plug up these little, I don't know, you can say little breathers for the valve covers, and then tying everything up, and then throw the filter at the bottom. So they really go low. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the other one, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I have everything put tight and with the filter on. Alrighty guys, so the intakes are on. It's pretty simple install. We just had to cut some little brackets that were hitting on the way down here, but we got it all figured out. But yeah, they're on. There's a There's your one filter right there. There's your other filter right there. So like he said, these are just temporary. He got them for a cheap deal, so why not throw them on and remove the stocks? But it looks good. So you want to start it up real quick, bro?
No.
You're gonna start it up. Let's see how that tome is still holding on. Alrighty guys, well, the intakes are on. We've even fixed the AC. Alrighty guys, the Nismo is done. The intakes are on. Now you can't see them from right here, but she donezo. And I'm over here about to install the cams on the DSM, so I'm just gonna finish this off and we're probably gonna end the video.